The primary suspect in the deaths of 2 Police Intervention Unit PIU officers, Ousainou Bojang, along with his elder sister Amie Bojang, entered a plea of not guilty to the charges brought against them by the Office of the Attorney General. Ousainou Bojang is facing 5 charges, including murder, attempted murder, acts of terrorism, and causing grievous bodily harm. Amie Bojang, Ousainu's elder sister, is facing a single charge of being an accessory after the fact to a murder. During the proceedings in the High Court of the Gambia, presided over by Honorable Justice Ibrahim Ajete, both Ousainou and Amie Bojang denied all charges brought against them. Following their not guilty pleas, the state called its first prosecution witness, Ousainou Bojang, who identified himself as a member of the Gambia Armed Forces. He recounted that on the night when the 2 PIU officers were killed, he was in the company of 2 fellow GAF members, Omar S. Jallo and Bakar R. Jabi, as they were preparing for overseas training in Turkey after a physical exercise at the beach. Ousainou informed the court that they were sitting at traffic lights when the shooting incident occurred. He recalled giving money to Omar S. Jallo to buy Afra for them on the opposite side of the road. According to Ousainu's testimony, they had a gunshot when Omar returned with the Afra, initially thinking it was a negligent discharge. However, they soon realized that a police officer was on the ground. Ousainou also noted that the second police officer tried to confront the shooter but was shot in the chest. He recounted rushing to the scene to assist the police officers, with the female police officer also being shot when she tried to escape. Ousainou also told the court that the shooter fled towards Sukuta. Ousainou told the court that he pursued the shooter with his colleagues while shouting "thief" to attract attention. He said at some point the shooter turned around and fired a shot but continued running towards Sukuta. Ousainou further stated that the shooter veered off on a roadside and they continued to follow him, but they were unable to capture him. Ousainou described the area as dark with poor visibility and stated that he shouted "thief" to attract the crowd's attention. Ousainou said he learned from someone that the shooter had jumped a fence and attempted to follow, but was advised by Bakar R. Jabi to desist because the shooter was armed. Ousainou told the court that after returning to the crime scene, they found 2 empty bullet casings and handed them over to the police. Ousainou described the shooter as taller than him, with muscular legs, wearing a yellowish shirt and 3/4 trousers. On September 21, 2023, Ousainou and Amie Bojang made their initial appearance before Principal Magistrate Omar Jabang of the Kanifing Magistrates Court, facing charges related to the shooting incident at Sukuta Jabang traffic lights, which resulted in the tragic deaths of 2 PIU officers and severe injury to another on September 12, 2023. Initially, the police had lodged 4 charges against the accused persons, including 2 murder charges, an act of terrorism charge, and an accessory after the fact to a murder charge. Subsequently, Principal Magistrate Omar Jabang transferred the murder trial to the Special Criminal Division of the High Court of the Gambia. On October 12, 2023, the case was presented before Honorable Justice Ibrahim Ajete of the High Court of the Gambia. On October 19, 2023, the state brought 6 charges against Ousainou Bojang, the prime suspect in the deaths of 2 Police Intervention Unit officers, and a single charge against his elder sister, Amie Bojang. On October 24, 2023, both Ousainou Bojang and Amie Bojang entered pleas of not guilty to the charges. Subsequently, the state presented its first prosecution witness. The case has been adjourned to November 7, 2023 for the cross-examination of the first prosecution witness and the continuation of the hearing. Reporting for Kerfatu, I am Landin Cisse.